Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to make a quick video to update you on what to expect coming up in April. First off, the next native plant feature is going to be on the genus Erythronium, which is a genus of wild lilies, and they include species like the Easter lily or the coastal fawn lily and glacier lilies. So these are some really beautiful lilies that you can find throughout the Pacific Northwest and even in other parts of North America and Europe. The other exciting thing that I have coming up is I am going to be hosting a watercolor challenge for the month of April. And the way I've set it up this time is that if you're a member of the Watercolor Garden, you of course get full access to the challenge, but I'm also making a way that if you're a non-member, you can come join us and try out the challenge. So either way, if you're a non-member or a member, click the link in the video description below just to sign up for my email list, because I'll be having more information and sign up links come out really soon for that. So don't miss it. Hit the link and sign up to make sure you get that info. The other thing that I'm excited to share a little bit more this month is that I have been working on some ink and wash illustrations as well as pure watercolor. Now, some people sort of like the more pure watercolor, others like the quicker ink and wash. Based on my surveys that I have done on this channel, it seems like mostly everybody likes both styles. I'm never going to go, away from my pure watercolor botanical style. But lately, it has been really nice to sort of have some watercolor wins. I mean by that is that I can just create something really quickly with not a lot of focus. Maybe when my son is running around playing in the morning, I can sit right here at my kitchen table and just sketch something really quickly. And so I sort of have like a method and an approach to how I've started doing this in my field notes journal. So I'm going to hopefully make a video coming up in April showing you a little bit more about that as well. And as well as some more tip videos that'll be featuring some of my fawn lily and erythronium studies, and of course the summary video that I create for each of my features. So it's a lot of content for a busy mama that works a day job, but I love doing this, and it's really inspiring to hear how much you guys have been enjoying this as well. So please feel free to comment below to keep motivating me, because the comments really help. It also helps boost my videos so YouTube shares them with more people, and then I can make more videos that way. So that is all I have for now. I'm really looking forward to sharing more creativity with you in April, and I will see you in the next video.